building a boat, this is the most useful tool that we have. This is the process that we follow. It's important that we keep things as simple as possible, because things can get complex very quickly in building boats, because everything that we do has an effect on everything else to follow. Okay? So, well, we start, pass it around if you like, but the processes that we follow are done in an order first, but then they're also done in an order of complexity second. So that's why we get the spiral type of shape, that as we move through each phase, we come back to it as we work around the other phases, but this time we look at it after whatever changes have been made by the previous things we've done. We now see what effect that has on the overall. So we essentially drill down to the final design of our boat. Okay, and that's the process that you guys will want to follow in designing the boat that you have in mind. The boat is there, we just have to get the information out of you. So, I'm going to take this off, and we're going to, what's the first item on the spiral?
Spiral.
Yeah.
Why the spiral?
Where are we starting?
This one. Design statement.
Design statement. Well, we can do that. I think we have enough information pretty much to make it go with it anyway. So everything that I'm going to instruct you about is really just going to be based around that spiral, wherever it is. Oh, there it is, over there. So any questions so far, or everybody's clear on how we're going to approach our subject?
We have
You have questions?
Actually, when you see the spiral, the diagram, the first step is we have to choose what kind of hull we make.
Yes.
So actually last time we decided we started some kinds of the hulls,
Yes.
and then I think we have to go for the displacement, the hull time.
Okay, alright. So, you're pretty... Why do you say that? Why?
Because the first, our goal is Genie is going to back to Korea through the boat we made.
Right.
That's why for stability so is good for
Right, so...
short time.
Okay. Okay. So from that, you believe that a displacement hull will give you the best stability in the open ocean for Jin to cross. Okay. Yes, that's a valid statement, and a displacement hull will, but it'll be a very slow trip.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, a displacement hull of the boat that you're talking about, I think we don't know quite what that is, but say between 7 meters and 10 meters, somewhere in there. So
around 8 meters.
oh, okay, 8
8
meters.
meters.
That's in
25 feet.
that's 40 feet.
40.
40. Yeah, it's twice the length of my boat.
8 meters.
8 meters. 8 meters. Okay.
And
Oh, sorry, that's 30 feet.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yes.
Yeah.
12 meters, double what mine is. So I have to convert between meters and American imperial and English imperial and decimal feet and decimal inches. So yeah, okay. Yes.
Other thing is as we said, we are gonna make a boat and then we're gonna sail now.
Yeah.
That's why, actually, I think the trend of hard time, one best type is the sports yacht type.
Sports yacht?
Yeah, sports yacht.
Yes, sports yacht, yes.
Yes, like V-hull type.
Yes.
But
It's a planing type.
oh yeah, plane type. Yeah.
Yep.
That's why. Can you, if I mix the two types of hull,
Yes. Will you get a mixed
yeah,
performance? Yes, yes, you will.
is that
And
alright?
yes, that is a separate, in fact, you two classes, planing hulls and displacement hulls. There's actually a third class, the semi-displacement or the semi-planing, the hulls that lie in between the two extremes. So, yes, absolutely, and that's where most of the development in hulls to make them more efficient these days is being done. But don't forget, remember when I said, no matter what you want to try, it's all been done before? Well, it has, because around the turn of the 19th century, you know, the 1800s to 1900s, gasoline engines, or engines were only just starting to be produced. Prior to that, everything was either steam, which is very big and very heavy, or sail. So to make them go properly, they had to design very efficient hulls. Now, they didn't have computers, and they didn't have all of the mathematics that I have, but they did have thousands of years of prior experience, you know, so the hull shape evolved into beautiful shapes that got forgotten about because the marketing people decided that everybody should have a power boat and it should be a deep V planing boat, and that took all the market, like you just said before.
Yeah.
So all of these super efficient hulls just got forgotten about. They're still out there. The designs are still there. It's just that we have to go looking for them. And in the realm of the in between the displacement hull and the planing hull, we have to look in the period of about 120 years ago. But I know I have on file lots of designs from that era. So yes, so I know